Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming basics fast. Verify Wi-Fi or swap to cellular so downloads aren't blocked. Next, press and hold the app icon and tap pause or cancel to stop the waiting state. This frees the queue. Once done, restart your device with a normal soft reboot. This clears temporary cache and stuck background tasks. Doing these now often resolves the issue because the store just needs a fresh network handshake and freed resources to resume. After reboot, sign out of the App Store and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. You do this because expired credentials can stall downloads. Then confirm your payment method and address pending prompts. Sometimes an unpaid verification blocks the queue. Also open the update/downloads list and pause other items, then tap the stuck app to restart it so it gets bandwidth and priority. These steps fix account or queue conflicts that keep apps stuck on waiting. If the app still shows waiting, reset network settings to clear DNS and Wi-Fi profiles. You should know this forces reconnection but often clears hidden network errors. Next, check storage. Make room or delete large unused apps so the installer can write files. Make sure your device OS is up to date, then retry the download. If nothing works, contact support with error details. One key troubleshooting tip: take a screenshot of the waiting state.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.